Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. Today I will show you how you can make your iPhone talk when you connect or disconnect the charger. We will do this with the application called Shortcuts, so stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any details, and if you want to know more tricks like these, subscribe to this channel. On your device, the first thing you are going to do is search for the Shortcuts application. If you can't find this app, you can go to the App Store and download it. Inside the Shortcuts app, you're going to click on the Automation tab. And then you're going to click on Create Personal Automation. In this menu, you are going to scroll down until you see the battery options. Here, you are going to choose the charger option. In this section, you are going to select Is Connected and then click on Next. Now you are going to click on Add Action. Then you tap on this bar, Write Text, and select this option. Inside the text box, you are going to write the phrase that you want Siri to say when you connect the charger. I will write "The iPhone is connected." After typing the phrase, press Done. Click on this bar again and now you are going to write Speak Text. Now, tap on this option. Now you are going to click on Next. And it is very important that you uncheck the option Ask before running. By disabling this option, this process would be automatic. To finish, you will click on Done. It's time to put it to the test to make sure everything is working properly.
The iPhone is connected.
As you can see, when you connect the iPhone to its charger, it plays the phrase that was assigned to it. This works whether the device is unlocked or locked.
The iPhone is connected.
If you want your iPhone to talk when you unplug it, you can do it pretty much the same way. In the Automation tab, tap on this icon to add a second automation. Select Create Personal Automation. Go to the bottom until you see the battery options and again select the charger option. In this part is where the process changes. This time you are going to uncheck the option Is Connected and you are going to tap on the option Is Disconnected. Now click on Add Action, write text, and then select this option. Type the phrase you want Siri to say when you unplug the iPhone. I am going to write "The iPhone is not connected." Press on Done. Then go to the bar and write Speak Text. Now click on Next. Remember to uncheck this option. And finally click on Done. Now let's put it to the test.
The iPhone is connected. The iPhone is not connected.
As you can see, or rather hear, the iPhone now notifies you when it is connected or disconnected. Using the same process, you can customize all these functions. For example, you can make the iPhone speak or perform an action when it is at a specific battery level or also when you activate or deactivate the low power mode. If you want to continue learning, watch this video. Don't forget to go without signing up.